Quite a bit of
From containers,
rotational flow in there, isn't there?
or a bit batteribetrieb. Batteribetrieb, hoor.
Dat is maar batterie. Oh. Wie viel Umdrehungen?
40.
40.
Okay.
Jetzt sieht man nichts mehr.
What do you see? You see nothing. We can measure the bubble sizes here.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Make a
Yeah.
reference,
We could also make PIV here.
but it rotates. You can see the bubble swarm rotating with the mixer.
Really?
Yeah, now it comes again.
And this is what we see in the surface going like this.
Yeah, it's like